I've been kind of busy lately. We've been trucking and stuff, so yeah, I've been hauling a lot of corn. It's harvest time, it's lightning, and we're trying to get everything kind of loaded up one more time before tonight. But yeah, I'm up here in my old stomping grounds of Raymore, where I used to live at, and that's why I haven't been posting many TikToks. But anyways, we're going into the last weekend of September. We're going to go to Fairgrove, Missouri this weekend to a rodeo, so that's where I'm going Saturday and Sunday, and hopefully get back to posting. So anyway, see y'all later. And we're going to load these trucks up before it starts raining and get tarped up. So anyhow, see ya.